In this video, we're going to look at how to make the clock bigger on your iPhone. This makes it much easier to see the time at a glance, especially if you frequently check your phone throughout the day. There are two main ways to do this. The first is by adding a large clock widget to your home screen. This allows you to see the time instantly without opening any apps. The second method is by customizing the clock on your lock screen to make it appear larger and easier to read. We'll start by adding the large clock widget to the home screen. From your home screen, tap and hold on any empty area until the apps begin to move. This means you've entered home screen edit mode. In the top left-hand corner, tap Edit, then Add Widget. This opens the widget gallery where you can browse and add widgets to your home screen. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Clock. Alternatively, you can scroll down through the list of apps until you see Clock, then tap on it. You'll now see several different clock widget options. These widgets come in different styles, some digital and some analog. Swipe across to view the available styles. Once you've chosen one, tap Add Widget. The clock widget will now appear on your home screen. You can tap and hold the widget, then drag it to reposition it anywhere on your screen. Many people prefer placing it near the top of the screen for optimum visibility. Once you're happy with the position, tap Done in the top right-hand corner. Your iPhone will now exit edit mode, and the larger clock will remain visible on your home screen. You can now see the time at a glance right on the home screen. It's also possible to add clocks for multiple time zones to the home screen in a single compact widget. Drop a comment below if you'd like another tutorial to walk through these steps. Now let's look at how to make the clock larger on the lock screen. Start by opening the Settings app from the home screen. Then select Wallpaper. Here we can see our current wallpaper pair, which includes the lock screen and the home screen. Tap the Customize button on the lock screen preview. You'll now see your lock screen editor. Tap directly on the clock display. This will open the font and style options. Selecting a thicker or taller font can make the time significantly easier to read. You can also adjust the color for better contrast against your wallpaper, which improves visibility. Choosing a color from the solid menu will be the clearest to read. Select the font style that appears largest and clearest to you. Since iOS 16, we can also adjust the size of the clock, but there's a catch. This is only available if you've selected the default font style. Ensuring you have this selected, tap a blank area of the screen to close the font edit window. Now we can use one finger to drag the handle in the bottom right corner to make the clock larger. Once you're happy, tap Done in the top right-hand corner. Your lock screen will now display the updated clock style. Between the clock widget on the home screen and lock screen customization, your iPhone's clock is now much easier to read. If you found this video helpful, please tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.